The Sustainability Stewards Program is an initiative that brings HDR's sustainability vision and mission to life.
First off, they have their own organizational structure within their group with lots of different roles, which is great because it adds to some leadership building around for our younger professionals. Then they use the more seasoned staff to provide advice and mentoring to the programs.
With the model that we've created, it allows the individual to come in for a one-time event, and folks are able to come to us with any of their personal sustainable initiatives, partner with our leadership and our leads, and then see their vision come to life.
The Tampa office has had a lot of successes in the past couple of years. We've done numerous volunteering events.
They've organized a couple of different kind of beach cleanups, which are always fun and actually very cool. We have done a couple of those at Picnic Island. We just do so much to encourage folks to volunteer in and outside the office. And they come up with all these cool ideas. We have plant giveaways and HDR gear swap.
By bringing the sustainability culture to the office, we've brought more than just sustainability. It's been leadership opportunities for young professionals, an inclusive, space for people to share their ideas.
The Tampa Sustainability Stewards Program does lots of great things. It allows us to deliver the aspects of our culture that we get to appreciate every day, that when we log in, when we log off, and whenever we exit for the day. It's becoming part of what we do.